Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulb battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the fastening plate. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. Remove the acid-resistant steam hose if the battery has one installed. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Then, put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Then, put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Connect the acid fumes outlet tube. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.